My name is Thomas and I've had the Icon, Dermapen, and I'm now having my CO2 laser treatment. From early teen years I've suffered from acne and that has really affected my self-confidence even going into my 20s. The scarring, as you can see, is quite deep in some places, so I'm really excited to get the CO2 laser treatment, and this is my third session today. During my consultation with the doctor, I was a bit apprehensive about the treatment at first, and that was because of the potential soreness and the pain during and after the treatment. But having spoken to the doctor, I was really excited to see the potential results, so I thought it was a good treatment to go for. The pandemic offered the perfect opportunity to get the treatment done, and this is because for the first week or so after the treatment, you don't want to see anyone. That's because there's a lot of redness, soreness, and it will start to peel as well, so you just want to lock yourself away. Perfect for me also is I did the treatment over the winter period, and you don't want to be exposed to a lot of sunshine, etc. So because it's colder, you can be inside more, that's really good. But if you are going to go out, make sure you put on a factor 50 and try not to be out in direct sunlight as much as you can. During the first week after the treatment is when you're going to have the most downtime. So I found during the first 1 to 2 days, that's when it's going to be really sore, a lot of redness. From about day 3 onwards, then it's going to start to peel. So I picked up a really cheap E45 itch cream. It's really effective at getting away with that itch. Between the first and the second treatment, I only used it on the second, and I found that it was a lot more effective at bringing down the redness as opposed to having the first, when I had the first treatment. So that's definitely one to buy, the E45 cream. And then after about a week or so, you can start to use your sort of normal light daily moisturizers and face washes, things like that, up until about the second week, and then you can go full bang with your normal skin routine. I'll be completely honest, the treatment is excruciatingly painful, but that's only during the treatment. Afterwards, a lot of the pain does go away. When you're having the treatment done, I kind of relate it to when I was younger and was at an arcade, and they have this machine, it's like an Uncle Fester thing, and you hold on to it and it sort of electrocutes you, sort of vibration. That kind of like shock and that sort of vibration, that is like that's how it kind of feels when they're doing the laser on your face. So you can just like that, and then it's done, and then it moves on to the next area. I would really recommend the Pulse Clinic. The guys here are really easy to talk to. You can do a free consultation. They're always there if you want to pick up the phone, come in, etc. And they're always really good at looking at the long-term journey. So as I mentioned earlier, started off with Dermapen, then I've done the Icon, and now I'm onto my CO2 laser. So they really work with you to get to your end goal.